It's week 5, and our bakers are going to have to impress the judges with a complex layered dessert for their showstopper.
I mean, having made it just to week 5 of this challenge is like a dream come true, so yeah, I'm obviously so excited for today.
Today I'll be making a 5-tiered dessert pyramid. Now for the base, I'm not gonna have a lot of time today to complete this challenge, so I wanted something really simple, really quick I could just throw together. So I'm actually going to be using a gelatin base. So now I'm just adding the cold water to the warm water, which will help the gelatin set once it's been in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, today has to be one of the hottest days to host this competition. It's like 3 degrees Celsius outside. I really just have to stay focused, stick with my plan, and I think this is gonna turn out fine. Yeah, so now I just really need to check to see if these cupcakes are done. I don't think they're done yet.
Yeah, and that's really when it all just started to fall apart, honestly.
Can you see that? I don't know if I had enough time to set, but I'm out of time. I have to assemble. This is so stuck.
Bakers, you have 10 seconds left.
Wait, what do you mean? Someone's fell over? Oh no, I think that's mine.
Well, I think the lesson from today is that, next time I really need to focus on my foundation. Like, I know I'm a talented baker, so just having a better strategy and making that foundation super solid and stable is really going to make the rest of, the piece shine. So yeah, I'm optimistic about things moving forward from here.
Thanks for watching my goofy video. It was inspired by my team's digital marketing hierarchy of needs planning guide, which really plays off the idea that while there are a bunch of marketing techniques out there, that it's really important to start at a foundational level in order to get the very most out of all of your marketing efforts. So if you feel like you need a little bit of help figuring out where you're at within your marketing journey or what might be next for you, go download our guide. It's free. I'll post a link in the post here that I'm sharing the video, and I'll go ahead and leave you now with a blooper.
Okay, so I'm just gonna have to switch gears here, and we're just gonna put it on.